WEN 3500 watt gas-powered portable generator. The WEN gas-powered generator characterizes a strong 212 cc, 7 HP, 4-stroke air-cooled OV engine. Provides the required strength to rotate the alternator at 3,600 RPM per 3,000 rated watts of power. It has a super quiet muffler and spark arrestor that decreases engine noise to only 71 dB. Offers two 120-volt 20-amp, 3-prong receptacles plus one 240-120 NMA 14 pounds-30, 30-amp, twist-lock receptacle. 4-gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge that runs 11 hours with 50% load, shipping weight 103.3 pounds. Automatic low-oil engine shutdown to protect engine. WEN generator product dimensions LXWXH, 24.4 x 17.7 x 18.5. The generator can also be used at sport and societal occasions, as well as open-air recreation activities. Click link in description below to read products details and customer reviews.